हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज सुमित प्रकाश और आज हम इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का बहुत ही कॉन्फ्लिक्ट इशू जो कि स्टूडेंटों में बहुत ही कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होता है कि फंडामेंटल राइट्स एंड डायरेक्ट प्रिंसिपल ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी में कौन किसके ऊपर सुपरसीड करेगा। सो टुडेज वी क्लियर ऑल द डाउट्स एंड कंफ्यूजन्स। सो let's talking about the relationships of fundamental right and direct principles of state policy. The fundamental rights and the directive principles of state policy of Indian Constitution ensures it gives the basic human rights and welfare individual and also ensure the principles of good governance, conscience and justice. So if there is a conflict between fundamental rights and directive principles of state policy, then who is supersede? Let's talk about that thing. But before that, we talking about the views of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Saab. So Dr. B.R. Ambedkar says that the fundamental rights and DPSPs are the cosigns of Indian Constitution, and without them there is no development of any human being or any person in the country. So let's talking about the conflict between fundamental rights and DPSPs. There is the first case, State of Madras versus Champkam Dorai Rajan. In that case held that if there is a contradiction between fundamental rights and DPSPs, then fundamental rights are supersede on DPSPs. But in Kerala Education Bill held that if there is a contradiction between fundamental rights and DPSPs, so maintain the harmony between them two. यहां तक तो सब सही था, बट 25 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट ने क्या किया? 25 constitutional amendment add the article 31C. By that article, the DPSPs are supersede on fundamental rights. But later, Kesunand Bharti versus State of Kerala, the article 31C, the first part of article 31C is unconstitutional. But article 31C second part is unconstitutional because it's barred the power of judicial review. But the 42 Amendment Act, 42 Amendment ने क्या किया कि part 4 is supersede on part 3rd. But in Minerva Mill case, Minerva Mill versus Union of India held that challenge the constitutionality of Article 31C, that Article 31C is unconstitutional because it violates the basic structure of Indian Constitution. And in that case held that if there is a contradiction between fundamental rights or DPSP, so maintain the harmony between them two. These both are very important for our constitution and it is complementary and supplementary to each other, where fundamental rights giving the basic human rights and DPSP is giving the directions to the state government for implementations of the policy. It is essentials for the citizens of India that DPSPs and fundamental rights are very, very important for the development of a human being or citizen of India. So we discuss about that if there is a conflict between fundamental rights or DPSPs, so maintain the harmony between them two.